Every bottle begins here, where the day starts in red.
Scale demands precision, even before the first cut.
Machines replace hands, but timing stays human.
Uniformity begins the moment they move.
Even automation needs judgment.
Volume is measured in tons, not handfuls. Harvest never pauses, it only moves. Freshness is a race against time. The journey begins the moment they leave the soil. Efficiency is built between cycles.
At scale, rhythm becomes system.
Nothing wasted, nothing delayed. From earth to industry, the transformation is underway. Distance is the first test of freshness. Movement changes nothing unless time wins.
Every minute is calculated.
Agriculture gives way to infrastructure. Scale reveals itself before the first wall.
Flow is controlled, never stopped.
Here, raw becomes process. Every kilogram accounted for. Order keeps volume alive.
Precision replaces speed.
Everything waits for release.
The handoff is irreversible.
The factory takes over.
Speed meets sanitation.
The field is stripped away. Only fruit moves on.
Clean enough for chemistry.
Now comes the judgment.
Experience still matters.
Nothing disappears without a plan. Eyes made of code. Decisions faster than thought. Accuracy replaces hesitation.
Clean, sorted, committed.
Preparation ends here. Now the transformation begins. Structure gives way to purpose. This is the moment texture is born. Heat locks in color and flavor. Cooking without fire.
Chemistry decides consistency.
Only smooth survives. Waste is just another stream. Volume becomes control.
Every batch tells a story.
Thickness is engineered.
Water leaves, flavor stays.
Reduction defines ketchup.
This is the backbone.
Ready for transformation. The backbone meets its partners. Flavor is engineered. Texture becomes perfection. Every batch must be consistent. Air is the enemy of stability. Stability ensures shelf life.
Taste is never assumed.
Perfection is iterative. From batch to bottle, the journey continues. Prepared, measured, poised for packaging. The transition from liquid to product begins.
Blending is finished. Production advances.
Technology measures with exacting hands.
Every drop counts.
Sealed with consistency. Identity is engineered. Every flaw is caught. Precision is redundancy. Order is maintained before motion. Automation meets choreography. Space and safety combined. Precision is the heartbeat of modern production.
Every bottle finds its place. Safety and presentation go hand in hand.
Storage holds the promise of distribution.
The world awaits each bottle.
And this is how modern factories produce tomato ketchup from start to